Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Ladies, are you like me and you want to be comfortable all the time, but you can't walk around in your sweats and yoga pants all the time? This dress by Simier Fariry is perfect for you. It is so comfortable. It's like walking around in a nightgown, but you still look super cute and presentable as an adult. So there's a nice tie around the waist so you can adjust it, fit it however you want, and then you can kind of pull it up where it has a little bit of a tucked in look. Very flattering and does cover your stomach very well. I feel like this dress is really true to size. This is an extra large. I can wear a large or extra large, and this definitely fits like an extra large. This is the green dress, and as you can see, it's not like an emerald green. Imagine if you took black, green, and a little blue and mixed it all together. Very pretty color. I really like the versatility of this dress. You can dress it up with some heels or you can dress it down with some slip-on tennis shoes. Either way, super fun. You'll look so nice. You will feel comfortable. So if that's what you're looking for, this dress is for you.
And that's my point of view.